When I started McKenzieJoy Fitness, I had 3 things in mind. I wanted to share my faith, transform lives through fitness, and I wanted to help women unapologetically love themselves. Growing up, I went through battles that most young girls go through. As I've gotten older and through the grace of God, I've been freed from most of those burdens and chains. All my life, I grew up in sports, and I knew one thing. I loved the way I felt when I was consistently active. When I turned 24, I questioned myself. I said, what do I actually want to do with my life that brings me complete joy? I knew I wanted to create a community of women that came together and encouraged one another. I knew I wanted other women to experience how I felt when I was active and eating right, and I knew that I wanted to be a part of a really big transformation in a woman's life. So that's where I came up with the idea of McKenzieJoy Fitness. As women, we go through so much. I wanted to create something that women could do for themselves, but not by themselves. What McKenzieJoy Fitness brings to women is an online community of others who are on similar journeys of getting healthier, loving their bodies, and educating themselves on how to live a lifestyle that will bring them health and longevity. My program offers accountability, workout plans, nutrition guidance, and support every step of the way. I'm honored and excited to be a part of your fitness journey. Now let's get started.